Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to change your Amazon account's password quickly and easily. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, in order to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to change your Amazon account password, follow the steps. Start by clicking open your web browser. And soon after you do that, type in www.amazon.com and press the enter on the keyboard. Doing this will take you to the home page of Amazon. If you don't have your account signed in yet, go ahead and sign into your account first. Once you're in, click on the account list option at the upper right and go to account from the expanded menu. Now under your account, there are lots of options you can work with in order to change your password. Click on the Login and Security option, and you'll be able to see that in the fourth row. The password option is displayed over there. Go and click on the Edit option right beside the password option. And then on the next page, you'll need to enter your current password first. If you don't remember your current password, you won't be able to change your password to a new one. So, make sure to type in the correct password. After you're done, move on to the next step and type in the new password you are trying to change. Once you do that, re-enter the password one more time in the next field, and finally click on Save Changes. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your password successfully. If you regularly change your password in any account, then you'll be able to secure your account from any kind of a possible threat. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.